Welcome back to day 12 of my Olymp Trade $100 challenge. Today I'm testing something unusual. Instead of small safe trades, I decided to accelerate the deposit. The question is simple. Can $50 turn into $150 in one day of trading? High risk, high reward. Let's see how it goes. So here's how I started. I opened not one, not two, but three trades at the same time, each with a $50 size. Expiration, 2 minutes. The market was in a downtrend, but I noticed a strong support level. I took the risk and opened all three trades upwards from support. While those three positions were sitting there, I didn't just stare at the chart like it owed me money. I took a step back and checked a few practical things. First, correlation. When you open multiple trades on the same market, they're basically the same bet, so you're not diversifying, you're multiplying the same risk. Second, news and session context. Even a small economic print can flip a short impulse into a breakout. Third, order flow. On a zone chart, you can often see how price respects an area more clearly, so watching how volume or momentum behaves around that zone matters as much as the entry itself. Finally, mentally, I treat these minutes as a test of patience. Can I keep my plan and not hyperreact if price wiggles? That little discipline, the quiet waiting, is what separates lucky clicks from repeatable trading. This was a bold move because entering against the main trend is always risky. But on the zone chart, bounces from strong support areas can often give you a quick edge. As the zone started forming, the results looked promising. One by one, the trades were moving in the right direction, showing green profit zones. First trade, profit. Second trade, profit. Third trade, profit. All three worked exactly as planned. But trading is never that simple. Before the first three trades had even fully closed, I noticed price pushing up toward a resistance zone. One of my trades had just closed in profit at that very second, and the other two were still open. I thought, perfect moment to enter a put trade. So I placed another $50 trade, expecting a reversal down from resistance. But this time the market had other plans. The resistance level didn't hold. Price broke right through it, and my trade closed in loss. So here's the result. 3 winning trades gave me plus $127.50. One losing trade cost me minus $50. That means I finished the session with a net profit of plus $77.50. My new balance is now $286.58. Not bad at all for a single trading session. Now, let's reflect. Notice how quickly things can change. 3 trades in profit gave me confidence, but one loss instantly reminded me that markets are unpredictable. That's why you should never go all in based on emotions. Support and resistance levels are powerful tools, but they are not magic. Sometimes levels hold, sometimes they break. That's trading. It's about probabilities, not certainties. Another important point. I opened 3 trades at once. Yes, it worked today. But imagine if support didn't hold. I could have lost all 3 together. That's why in real long-term trading, I usually stick to money management and smaller risks. This challenge is about experimenting, learning, and testing psychology. And today was a perfect example of how both sides of trading, wins and losses, balance each other. I end this session with a healthy profit of plus $77.50, and a balance of $286.58. In the next video, I'll reveal the best strategy I found during this entire 15-day challenge. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.